Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland, and I had just done a pour and there was all these beautiful colours dripped off, and so I scratched them up and I put them on here, and that's my bottle bottom, which isn't always easy to say, but I'm planning on doing a reverse thing. I've got some paper towel and I'm just hoping that this one works out okay. You'll find the recipes for these paints and pouring medium below show more under this video, and hopefully this, you know, the pastels comes up quite nice. Mauve. There is silicone in each of these colours, but not the white. Go on, down you go. They're not going down as evenly as I had thought, but here we go. Some yellow, and I think the green might top it off, eh? So we'll let that just take its little time, maybe a bit more on this one. Right. Quite pretty. A bit of pink and okay. Now I'm hoping this will be big enough. Might not be. No. Now I've got a problem. Alright, have I got any tape? Yes, I do. Right. Improvise, which is what I'm doing. Come on. This one is wider. There we go. We'll see how that goes with that in the centre. Making sure that each part is covered and doesn't have any air bubbles. Right. I think I've got it. Just get rid of this. And I do need to put some more glue around. Okay, and I'm just going to do this because I'll probably tilt it a little bit. It's just to make sure that it doesn't roll over on itself as it does if you don't have anything for the paint to run on. This is looking very pretty indeed. So I might just take it this way first. And around we go. Takes a little bit longer on these round ones. They take a little bit more manoeuvring to get the edges. But and my grandson's just arrived. I'll just bring this one down. Almost there. Okay, I think that's it. Now I'm just going to give it a torch and see if we have any cells. And then I might do some wiggling and waving. Take off on me then. Yes, I have some cells coming up which is rather pretty, and that's good. And just see how these go. Bringing them through. That might do. Those colours look pretty well designed. Alright, so I'll bring you down to have a look, and yeah, that's really pretty. I'll just do this. Right. Put this bit of glue back on. There. Drip off later. And I'll wipe my hands. Bring it down. I do hope you've enjoyed this video. It's very pretty. And recipes to the paints and pouring medium below the video under show more. a link to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming, below under Show More. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. Click the little bell and you'll be notified then as I put up more videos. Quite pretty. I like the pastels. Alright, well thank you very much for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.